I just stayed at one of the most hyped social hotels in Miami, and honestly, it wasn't what I expected. It's got a great rooftop, great vibes, it's great for R&R, and honestly, there are a few things no one is talking about. The question is this hotel really worth it, or is it honestly overhyped? So this is the Upsun Hotel and Social Club in Miami Beach, a hotel more designed for a party and contact experience rather than a traditional stay. I booked a night here to see if it lived up to the hype. I'm breaking down everything: the room, the rooftop, the vibe, and the stuff that you don't see online. Right away, you can tell that the place was built for a certain kind of traveler. But as soon as you walk in, you're met with this beautiful wall of these old pictures of Miami, and then you got your front desk lady right there as you walk in. And then as you walk around, before the very first time that we stayed, there was actually a bar right there that right now I think is probably going to be renovated. It's closed at the moment, so we don't know when that's going to open. And then there's like an area which looks to be a restaurant area there. But as soon as upon check-in, it was pretty quickly, because online you actually have the benefit of checking in. And if you happen to book online, you could actually check in online and get your keys easier. So as soon as you show up, you're given the keys. And the cool thing, like a lot of the resorts that we visited, they actually pour you your welcome champagne glass as you get there. A nice touch, because usually that happens in resorts. It doesn't really happen on hotels, but that hotel actually does that. All right, let's talk about the room. It looks good, but here's the honest truth. It's a little on the smaller side. So as you walk in, there's a small hallway there. You make a left, the bathroom is on the right side. You got your king bed. It's just a standard room, nothing big. You got your TV on the right side. And then as you pull the curtain, it's nothing but glass on both sides. So it's pretty decent. Like I said, it's straightforward. It looked clean. It looked good. The bathroom was definitely clean. I mean, the shower was running well, and you got your mirror light there, so that was pretty modern. Also, your refrigerator that you can hold your cold beverages if you like, and then they provide you water right there. So it's pretty straightforward. It's nothing that big. If you're expecting some luxury suite, this is not that. What you're really paying for is the other things, the experience outside, not particularly for the room itself. Now, this is what a lot of people come for, and that is the rooftop. Now, it is just, the view of the rooftop is incredible. It overlooks most, if not all, of Miami. It's just great during the day. It's normally chill up there, with the potential of just doing some other things. Now, the very first time that I stayed, there weren't any cabanas on that left side. For my one night stay that I had recently there, they were cabanas. So little by little, you can tell that they're upgrading in certain areas. But a lot of events are done up there. I've never seen a live party up there, even though it's got a potential to do those things. You could tell that the area's got the potential of doing great events. When it's just chill up there and you just want some R&R, you could swim in that pool, or you could just chill in the sun and overlook the great views. So that's one of the main positives that I really like about the hotel. The second main thing that is definitely positive about the hotel is the location. It is located on Meridian and 5th. By the way, it used to be called Urbanican 5th before it changed the name to Upsun, and obviously had a brand change and a name change. The location, the reason that it's very convenient and prime is that it is located in between a Walgreens and you have your CVS down the block on the other side. So if you had to get some essentials, it is literally walking distance away. And if you wanted to take a further walk down to Total Wine, a couple of blocks down, you could do that. As well as it is located just a few blocks away from South Beach and the Strip itself. There are also a couple of restaurants that are located a block away near the CVS, across the street from the CVS. Location is definitely a huge plus staying at this hotel. If you really are staying in South Beach and you're probably looking for a locale that is walking distance from the beach and from the Strip, this hotel is definitely good for that. Another cool thing about the Upsun Hotel is its partnership with a place called Esteban's Place, which is located in the beach, which is an area like in the sand where with your stay, you're given like these 2 beach towels, me and my wife, when they stayed. And I remember that walking distance to the beach, there's an area where we can get some beds, first come, first serve. You didn't have to pay for the rental of the beds. The only thing we had to pay for was the umbrella. So that was pretty cool. And we were able to do that because we were guests of the Upsun. That was the perk that they had with the partnership with Esteban's Place, which is, like I said, located in a certain area of the beach, just walking distance, just like 10 minutes from the hotel. And we were able to actually save ourselves some money, getting ourselves 2 beds and hanging out at the beach for the day. So that was pretty cool. We did that our very first time when we stayed at the Upsun. I couldn't do that this time. Obviously, I came for the baseball game as I did for that one night. Now, I got to be honest with you, along with the bar and that what seems to be the dining area could be a work in progress and renovation. There are also little tidbits like getting to the room, like the hallways, for example, are a little dated, carpet's a little dated as well. So I believe it's probably a work in progress ever since the brand name change, that there are going to be renovations in terms of those details. If you're a little alarmed on a lot of the details that look dated, you just assume that it could be a work in progress. I don't know. I didn't really talk to anybody to even know if those things are also going to be renovated, but you could tell it's kind of like a work in progress. Little by little, they're just trying to make improvements here and there. But as it looks at the moment, there are going to be some things that you might think that are not too pleasant. Other than that, the main things like the room, which, like I said, it's not that big. It's just a very simple room. You're not really there for the experience inside the room as you are outside of the actual hotel itself. And the biggest potential, like I said, the rooftop, where a lot of events have been done, and you could actually look at their Instagram page to see a lot of events that have been done. And I'm talking about just simple events like, doing yoga instruction up there, but I've not seen any big social events like parties, even though that rooftop has got all the potential to do so. I don't know if the hotel is even willing to go in that direction. For right now, R&R definitely is a plus in that rooftop. So there are definitely some positives for that hotel in that manner. So is the Upsun Hotel and Social Club actually worth it, or is it overhyped? Now, it depends what kind of traveler you are. Now, if you're looking for some action inside the hotel, or you're a luxury traveler and you're looking for all that traditional hotel amenities and all that stuff, no, this hotel is not for you. It's not made for that. It's more based on location, or if you're a younger traveler, you're trying to get close to South Beach, you want to be close to that action, around spring break or any time where there's the nightlife pretty close, then this is the hotel for you. And if you also want to get some R&R, that is also this hotel for you. It's reasonably priced. It's not bad. The rooms are clean. You're not asking for a huge luxury room. You're not going to get that. But if you're an older traveler and you want to just chill with walking distance to get your essentials, whether you're young or an older traveler, or you got access to some restaurants that are about 5 minutes away, this hotel is actually not a bad hotel for you. It's really good. I actually liked my stay for that one night when I went to watch the World Baseball Classic game between Dominican Republic and Venezuela. So I had a good time there. It gave me exactly what I needed, and I got to enjoy the rooftop pool. It's also great for relaxing. They just added those cabanas, by the way. So now it's little by little, it's got a lot of room for improvement. I think we haven't seen the full potential of the Upsun Hotel because I think it could do many other things. I've seen other events on that rooftop, like I said, and I think it will reach its full potential. I have faith in this hotel that it's going to get much better, maybe with some renovations here and there. But I really like my hotel stay. If you want to see more of that actual event that I had one night in Miami, feel free to watch my video right here. Hopefully you like and subscribe the video. Hopefully it was helpful. Like I always say in every video, safe travel.